Hi everyone, happy Monday. It's April 20th and here are our weekly announcements. We're going to start with some birthdays. Happy birthday this week. These are all of our friends having birthdays this week. Happy birthday to Max in Mrs. Hatton's room, Addison in Miss Darling's room, Sarah in Mr. Hoppenworth's room, Gwyneth in Mrs. Hatton's room, Wesley in Miss Bauman's room, Parker in Mrs. Atkinson's room, Stella in Miss Darling's room, Jaden in Miss Bauman's room, Hadley in Miss Bauman's room, Silas in Miss Staley's room, JC in Mrs. Allen's room, and Elin in Mrs. Atkinson's room. So I hope you all have happy birthdays this week. Okay, our next activity here, we're going to say our Pledge of Allegiance together. So we'll put our hand on our heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for saying the pledge with me. That's something we do every Monday. Okay, and here it is, the winner. The winner of our March book tournament. Our 2020 book of the year is Can I Be Your Dog? Congratulations, Mrs. Boyum and Miss McNallen. They had submitted this book into our book tournament, and your book is ending up to be our 2020 book of the year. Now, I do have to let you know, this was the closest voting I have ever seen. It was actually 51% for Can I Be Your Dog and 49% for Pig the Fibber. Pug the Fibber. So, oh my gosh, closest vote ever. So, one of the things that I found out is it's kind of fun to have something to vote on every week. And so I thought it might be all right to have kind of a contest every week for something different. So we've been voting on books. So I thought, we were grilling some food last night at my house, and I thought maybe we could do something about food. So this week, I would like to have us vote on one of your favorite foods. And here is this week's voting question with the voting link right up here. All you have to do is click on the voting link. And it says, what is your favorite food? Hot dog, hamburger, or grilled cheese? So you can go onto the link and you can vote. And then next week, I'll be able to share what our favorite food is, and we'll have something new to vote on. Just kind of another way to keep us all together, even though we're doing it on the computer. It's kind of fun. So cast your vote this week. And again, congratulations to Mrs. Boyum and Miss McNallen on having our 2020 book of the year, Can I Be Your Dog? All right, boys and girls, especially in first and second grade, make sure that you are connecting with your specialists. Mrs. Anderson, Mrs. Smithers, Miss Hoffman, Mr. Rizzo, Miss Skoglund, Mr. Halder, and even Miss Ann is sending some things out. So see if you can connect with them this week and share back the fun things that you're working on. And be a star, boys and girls. Safety first, teamwork, take pride, responsibility, show respect. We can still do this. We're just doing it at home. And lastly, if you feel like you want to watch the song again, there is the YouTube link for you to go on and watch the primary song. So until next week, I'll see you guys. Take care. Keep reading. And we'll see you soon.